Okay, are you gonna eat your foot? Let's see. He's gonna talk to us? That's okay. We'll listen. I just thought you might want to eat your foot again. You are so talkative today. No, there's your toes. You got your toes. Well, what kind of noise is that? Okay, it's been nice talking to you. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Trying to get this? Here you go. Okay, goodbye, Auden.